Hi teachers, do you struggle with teaching writing? Are you pulling your hair out daily? Well, if so, you've come to the right place. I get it and I feel your pain. Writing is the hardest subject to teach, so let me be an avenue of support for you this year. I'm Lori Mustain and I'm starting my 20th year in education. I taught primary grades, intermediate grades, and adults, and now I'm back in a second grade classroom in the trenches with you. Teaching writing has always been my passion, and so I decided to start this new vlog to help support you and to make your life easier. I don't have all the answers, but I do have some tried and true ideas for you and your students. Whether you teach elementary or middle school, I think you'll find these ideas to be beneficial. Please like, subscribe, and comment to get more tips from me, your mentor next door. I can't wait to start this journey with you.